Good morning, everyone. Bruce here. Today we're just going to briefly discuss real versus personal property and the differences between those. So I'll just read the definition here. Real versus personal property. Personal property, also called chattel, is characterized by being movable or portable. Personal property is not considered part of real estate and is not automatically sold with real estate. Fixtures are classified as items that once were personal property that have become permanently attached to the real estate. Fixtures are real property and automatically sold with real estate unless a different agreement is reached. The court applies the following to parties who dispute items, if it's a fixture or not. How is the item attached? How was it adapted? What was the intent? And is there an agreement? It's just one of the reasons why as real estate agents, when we take on a listing, it's one of the things that we cover. What's included with the listing? Are the appliances included? If you have built-in cabinets, and if, grandma or grandpa made this cabinets years ago and it's a family heirloom, well, then it's the type of thing when you list a home, you put in there that, this, and this is included, but this cabinet upstairs or in this room is not included and will be removed upon sale of home. You document those things. Just like if we're going to write an offer and the people, we're working with that want to buy this house, love this cabinet upstairs and just think it's awesome and it fits the room, well, then we write that in the offer. Here's our offer. Here's all the other details. Included in this offer, we want that cabinet upstairs. So it's just the type of thing that it's good to document every way that you can to make sure that there's no confusion when it comes time to close the house. It's another reason why we have they would refer to as a walkthrough. You have a walkthrough typically the day before closing, and that's so the new buyer can, well, one, make sure that stuff hasn't been removed from the house that they believe is supposed to be part of the sale. Could be light fixtures, could be that cabinet that you like. Another reason for the walkthrough is to make sure that when they're moving all their personal items out of the house wasn't damaged, or that they left the house in what we refer to as broom swept condition. Real property is real estate. It's typically referred to as something that is not movable. It's immovable. And personal property, something that you can basically take with you, pick up, take with you. There's some gray area in between there, and that's why we say to document everything. As real estate agents, we encourage that no matter whether we're working with buyers or sellers. So that's real property versus personal property ownership. I'm happy to go into more detail with you about that. But find an agent that you trust, that you're comfortable with, that knows their stuff, and they'll make sure that you document properly so you don't have any disappointment on closing day, shall we say.